Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super short and sweet Dollar Tree haul and shop with me. This video is short just because I didn't want to show you guys a bunch of stuff you've already seen before, but I did find some brand new items that are not necessarily seasonal, all of them that you guys have got to see. And I was inspired to head over to Dollar Tree when I was on Instagram and I saw K is for Karen posting all these amazing photos. So I'm going to link her channel. She does have a YouTube channel and her Instagram below. Make sure you go check her out. She seems to always find things before anybody else. So let's get into it, starting off with my favorite item. I found these two little mercury glass bottles. These are glass, if you can hear, and they have the cute little marble top. And if you can see, I have a candle in the background there. That's the size compared to a Bath & Body Works candle. These are really cute for everyday decor. I want to say that maybe my mom has something like similar to this in her bathroom as decor. They look kind of like potion bottles to me though, and I think they would make amazing Halloween decor if you maybe put a little spider here or put a little label and wrote potions or something like that. So I got the two of them to possibly use in my Halloween decor, and if I don't end up using it then, I just think these are really cute little filler pieces when you need a touch of, you know, something metallic in your decor or whatever. So I was more than happy to pick these up, even though I don't have a clear idea of what I'm going to do with them just yet. The next thing that I found is this super cute little ceramic xoxo. There was another version that definitely seemed like it was Valentine's Day centered, so you'll have to stick around until the end to see the clips of that. But this came in gold, I want to say, and also red and pink, which also made me feel like it was a Valentine's Day thing. So they have so many cute ceramic figurines out right now that are not seasonal. They're just kind of like year-round pieces. So you'll see all of that at the end of the video. But I decided to go ahead and get this. I know I won't see it again. I limited myself. I wanted to get more and have like choices, but honestly, I don't do a lot of decorating for Valentine's Day. I mostly just do some flowers and maybe a coffee bar, so I thought this would be cute in a 3-tiered tray. And like I said, there are so many other cute ceramic pieces like this that look like they cost way more than $1, so definitely stick around until the end to see that. The last thing from this haul are these super cute paper plates. You get 18 of them. And this is like super cutesy fun, but still kind of chic with the polka dotted pumpkins and then the text that they've used and the white pumpkins. I mean, it's just so darn cute. It's definitely kid friendly, but this is something that I would totally use at a party that I was hosting with my adult friends. So I had to get these. We're running low on paper plates, and I do use paper plates when I'm crafting to put my paint on, and then I just toss them. It's kind of mess free and I don't have to wash anything. So I wasn't going to leave these behind. They were just screaming my name, and I don't know if they're new this year. You guys will have to let me know if you've seen these before. So that is it for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I am filming on a new phone today. I got the iPhone X, so you guys will have to let me know if the quality is at least as good as it was before. I mean, I know it wasn't great before because I've always filmed on my cell phones, but I just want to know that it's not any worse or else I'll have to return this phone. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stick around for the footage at the end, and I will see you back in a future video. Bye guys.